EDCI 705, Seminar Gals in Goldsboro. How are you doing, Jody and Natalie and Janet? I hope you're well. I hope you've dried out and back in school and cooking away on your schoolwork as well as your graduate work. You have a couple of things that are due in week 11, and so I know that you're working hard on your evidences, but spend a little time with your dissertation work this week, and do submit a draft outline of your chapter 1 to TaskStream for me to have a look-see. Now, at this point in the process, if you have written a portion of chapter 1, great. A couple of the assignments earlier this semester asked you about hooks and introductions, and prompted you to start writing chapter 1. So if you have a draft from that, then great. If at this point it is a bulleted outline or a structured heading outline, that's fine. But show me what you're thinking right now for how you are going to begin a discussion of your topic in your dissertation. Chapter 1 is an introduction, so how are you going about that? There are some resources here for you to look at, for you to think about. Do look back at some of the other writing that you've done for discussion board posts and incorporate that if you can. And Janet, just ignore the next couple of minutes, please. Jody and Natalie, back in week 6, I had loaded something called a GW doctoral contract. You were probably not in school at that time, but now please take a look at this again, watch the video, print out the form, and get it signed and uploaded, please, so that we know that you have a site supervisor and that you understand the expectations for a doctorate at Gardner-Webb. Some new layer of accountability that we've added, so please do that. If you have questions about the chapter 1, great. But again, what I'm looking for is at least a bulleted outline at this point, and perhaps more in the way of text. Have a great week. If you need anything from me, you know where to find me. Call, write, send any questions that you have. Have a great week, ladies.